easy go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Eagle Eye. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fully automatic pen BB gun. So what you're going to need first is a round stick, pen, Bic pen, and what you want to do is take off the cap, pull out tube, and then right here we're going to cut that, and it should be done. So I will say this, I will not be liable for if you get hurt or anything, so be very careful when doing this because you could choke. I'm probably going to find a better way, but until then, what you're going to want to do is take 6mm BBs. And this is very dumb, but you put them in your mouth, okay? So don't swallow. So take a big breath before you do it. So I'm gonna do it. Okay. Now you just put the pen up and launch all of them out with air. So look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Eagle Eye and that'd mean a lot. Bye.